almost no vehicles come with spare tires anymore, especially electric cars and hybrids. They just think you don't need them anymore. So that's why it's good to have this tire repair kit with you. You never know where you are, and you know, sometimes it's just a small thing and you can patch it easily. It comes with these pair of pliers to help pull the nail or screw out. You simply find it, put it here. Comes with drill bit here or screwdriver to put it in, and then it comes with a couple different size plugs, and they're all in these little capsules. So you just pull these out and use a screwdriver to get it out, and this will just screw in as a temporary fix to repair a nail if it's leaking out, because it's designed to help. See how it has this sealant on it? It has like this glue. So what I'm going to do, there's a little hole right here. Use my drill to put this in to seal the hole. So there's a hole right here. I'm going to close this. And it's just going to seal that hole right up. And you can see, if you look closely, right there, see how the sealant wrapped around, make it airtight. It's good to have. 58 piece, comes with, you know, you could use this for your lawnmowers, your motorcycles. Comes with a bunch of different sizes.